are you trying to go? There's all on the left, so we can't really do much on the left.
Left is a lot more fun.
And,
you know what?
yeah, but left doesn't really call it.
Huh? Oh. The left won't call it?
Someone in the building over there won't call it hit. I've nailed them.
Alright, I feel we get out of stuff.
He's waiting for us to do something.
What?
See him aiming right at us. Right there. He's aiming through the window. See? Window, left.
Yeah.
He's aiming right at us.
Let's go to the tires.
Waiting for us to do something.
Here, I'll
You guys down?
I'll spray him.
I'm putting a field for him.
Ready?
I didn't call it his fire, let him up.
Okay, whoever can get close to that window, just light it up.
I can get close to the wheel.
Right there. He's looking right at us. He's waiting for us.
Go! Go!